I know it's a little overcast, but it's still, you know, it's Florida and it's nice weather and it's beautiful out.
Before we start that whole thing, obviously you're open carrying.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Where are you going to right now while open carrying?
I was fishing.
Okay, where's your fishing equipment?
It's in the water.
You threw your fishing equipment in the water?
Well, I didn't throw it in the water. The stuff I catch fish with is in the water.
Where at?
I can show it to you. Okay, so you basically got called out here because I'm carrying a gun, right?
Yep.
Okay.
I know what Florida statute says.
Okay, perfect. Hey, so I'm not no ill will. I'm gonna walk past you.
As long as you got your fishing equipment.
Can you show us your fishing equipment?
No worries.
Just show us your fishing equipment.
I met you before. You're the fucking douchebag.
Hey,
fuck you, you piece of shit.
Just ignore him, man.
You're a piece of fucking shit.
Yeah.
Just ignore him. Right there. You see that right there? It's attached to my fishing gear. It's attached to what I'm fishing with.
You mind pulling it up so we can see?
No, you're not FWC. Anderson, you're a piece of shit.
Okay, hey, do you got your fishing license on you?
Bye.
Do you have your fishing
See
license
ya.
on you?
Bye.
Do you have your fishing license
Yes,
on
I
you?
do. Go get call FWC. We already, dude, we ain't gonna go through this route, dude. 379.354.
Yeah, I understand that.
The only person that can run my fishing license, hold on, no ill will.
Do you see me freaking out?
No, dude, but this guy's a piece of fucking shit. And I redress my government, and this guy's a piece of fucking shit. Yeah, you might want to fucking get out of here.
What is attached on the other end of this?
Don't worry about what the fuck is attached to it. Unless you're FWC, don't touch my fucking...
Do you have a rock, or do you have...
Don't worry about what... I am fishing. That's all you need to know. If you want to question it, call it. Yes, I am fishing.
Or what are you doing?
I'm fishing right now. The only thing you need to know is that I'm fishing, and if you want to get FWC out here like you did the last time, and they're gonna go through the same thing. You already know who I am, so fuck you, you piece of fucking shit. I don't like you, dude. There's my fishing license right there. Fishing license. Other than that...
Oh, hang on one second.
Just let me see what the...
Hold on, that's my fishing license. You guys can't even run my fishing. The only thing you're doing is taking my name and running it through David. Because guess what? I've already got all those records.
I don't need David. David just tells me if you have a
NCIC, FCIC. We already know. You guys illegally arrested me for a felony for wiretapping. And guess what? What happened with those charges, bud? What happened? What happened? You're a piece of shit. I can't wait to get you on the court. Dude, I can't wait. Fuck all of y'all. Bye. Bye. See ya.
Okay.
See you later. I got a fishing license and I'm fishing.
This is just a string. This is just a string in the water.
You are not FWC. If you want to call FWC, you can call them and get them out here. Because other than that, I am telling you I'm fishing, and then we will find out if FWC proves that I'm fishing.
Michael.
What?
By all laws, we can be anywhere we want to be, correct? I can be right here.
Yeah,
right
let's waste taxpayer money just like you did. And you're gonna cost taxpayers a lot more money in a couple. Yeah. Don't worry, buddy. I got your name, I got your badge number, and I'm gonna I want the incident report number, blah blah blah.
Let me just ask you this, all right?
Shut up.
You're a legal gun owner, right? So in the time of mass shootings and everything like that, when all these people are doing shootings,
I wish I was around when a mass shooting was happening, because I would have shot that person. I would have killed the mass shooter. If you weren't there, I would. If I'm there,
you don't think that
I don't care. I don't care.
With body armor and a rifle?
Hey,
of course they're gonna call in.
Don't cops explain to me.
Did I draw my gun on you? Did I talk like an asshole
No.
to you?
This guy violated my rights. He violated Florida State. Hey, can you arrest him?
No, I won't be.
See, exactly, because he violated state law.
He was acting in the performance of his lawful duties, which he is supposed to do.
Do you have a Florida concealed weapons permit, Mr. Anderson?
That's none of your business.
See, and I will find that out, because if you do,
go ahead, tell him.
You signed a piece of paper saying, I know the 790 statutes. Under 790.33, you violated the law. You owe me $5,000. Look up that law. Look up 790.33. You owe me $5,000 for violating my rights.
He says this is his fishing equipment.
I go around the state of Florida.
Trying to figure out ways to sue.
No,
to get
I don't.
Money
I do not.
Job or what?
Do you know how many lawsuits I have?
How many? No lawsuits against
None.
the city?
But I'm going to bring one because you decided to violate Florida law. Florida law gives me $5,000 every time you want to violate preemption law, saying I can't be somewhere with a
How did
gun.
I violate?
Preemption 790.33,
Okay.
which is preemption. No city, county, town can come up with any law that restricts my firearm rights. So if I'm carrying my firearm legally, like I was that day,
Well, what did
right,
I specifically do?
I was carrying my
Sorry.
firearm lawfully.
106 and 101.
Right?
Good.
Yeah. I was carrying my firearms lawfully, and you trespassed me, and your chief Lau, said the reason I was being trespassed was because of my firearm. That is against preemption. Your city, county, town cannot create their own firearm ordinances, and that's why I can't wait to see you on the friggin' on that.
Are you abandoning your fishing?
Nope, I'm waiting.
Special 189 radio check.
I can willy-nilly walk around here looking at the water. That's what I'm doing. Walking around the water.
1321.
Checking out this beautiful town.
Walk to the 101.
I was here fishing, and I didn't harass anybody. But the second I saw
high-rise
you,
is right there next
I
to
don't
them.
like you.
Hey, Michael.
I'm redressing my government because of what you did.
Hey, Michael. We're going to head out. If we need anything from you, I'll talk to you again.
I don't care, dude. All
right.
This guy already knows who I am, and he knows that I don't break the law. And then these guys violated my rights.
Okay.
They said, "Oh, it was just wiretapping," because their Parks and Recreation that gave them the authority to so-called trespass people. Yeah, it's funny how that YouTube.
Michael, it doesn't look like you're fishing right now.
I'm fishing. My line is in the water. My line. Call FWC. Anderson, shut up. Call FWC if you need to. Shut up. Get out of here. Kick rocks. Walk the shame, buddy. Bye. Bye,
Why do you keep
Felicia.
harassing me?
I'm not harassing you. I'm
You
telling
followed me all the way from that dock over here
because I'm waiting
for the
on
purpose
fish.
of harassment.
I'm waiting on fish.
You might want to kill a dolphin that might end up hooking onto your line, and if you do that, then you'll
You don't know what's on the end of my line.
I
You don't know what I'm
I have a
fishing.
feeling it's a fake fish like it was last time.